This week's lesson is about physical activities to achieve fitness. According to World Health Organization, children and adolescents aged 5 to 17 years old should do at least 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous intensity physical activity daily. Physical activity of amounts greater than 60 minutes daily will provide additional health benefits. Should include activities that strengthen muscle and bone at least 3 times per week. Adults aged 18 to 64 years old should do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity throughout the week, or do at least 75 minutes of vigorous intensity physical activity throughout the week, or an equivalent combination of moderate and vigorous intensity activity. For additional health benefits, adults should increase their moderate intensity physical activity to 300 minutes per week or equivalent. Muscle strengthening activities should be done involving major muscle groups or 2 or more days a week. This is the physical activity pyramid. The first level is the lifestyle physical activities. These are the things you do anytime and anywhere. When we say lifestyle, we mean physical activities that you are already doing as part of your everyday routine. It should be every day 30 to 60 minutes. The examples are playing outside, walking the dog, taking the stairs, cleaning the house, walking to school, walking to the store, and work in the garden. On the second level, we have the aerobic exercises or cardiorespiratory endurance. These are the things that speed up your heart rate. Do at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercises each day, and that should do the trick. Sample activities are swimming, jogging, biking, and brisk walking. Aerobic exercises are in the same level with recreational activities. These are soccer or basketball, martial arts, hiking or dancing, and tennis. Recreational activities are the things you enjoy doing. On the next level, we have the leisure activities. These activities are golf, bowling, billiard, and yard work. On the other side, we have the flexibility training. These are the things that you need to stretch. Students like you are at a good age to enhance one's flexibility as young as you are. Don't be afraid to start with small or light stretch. You need to do this 2 to 3 times a week. Some of the activities are stretching, yoga, ballet, monkey bars, push-ups, curl-ups, weightlifting, and rowing. The last level on the top is the physical inactivity. It is the sedentary activities, things that you need to do less. You need to cut down this kind of activities. These are watching TV, computer games, sitting for more than 30 minutes at a time. Make sure to remember the following terms: lifestyle physical activities, aerobic exercises, sports and recreational activities, flexibility training, strength training activities, and physical inactivity.